Welcome back to another video. I'm Tom, and in today's video I'm going to pick some beetroot from my veg garden. I'm going to show you how to pickle it. Beetroot acquired. I'll see you in the kitchen, where you'll also need salt, sugar, vinegar, water. That is how I make my pickled beetroot. Now I hope you're going to enjoy it as much as I do. I made this video today because pickled beetroot is one of my all-time favourite pickles, and as you can see we have an abundance of it on our allotment. Now if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. Please do give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I release new recipe videos every single week and you don't want to miss them. Stay mint, and I'll see you in the next video.